Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ramsha Sultan, and in this video I am going to show you how I tie my scarf. Now it's been years I have been doing this hijab look. I have not tried and tested much hijab looks. It is my signature hijab look because it gives me a very good volume and it also gives me a good coverage on the chest area, and any other hijab look doesn't feel that good for me. So let's get started. For this hijab look, you would need a hijab cap. Now, it can be matching to your outfit, and hijab cap ensures that your scarf stays in place and you can pin it together. Now, you need a scarf and put it on your head with both sides equal. Now, take the front portion and fold it like so. And now you need to bring it forward around your face. And now, with the help of a hijab pin, you have to pin it under your chin and then fold it like this. Now, take one side of the scarf and wrap it around your head like this. Once you're happy, now you need to start creating folds. These folds give an illusion that your scarf is wrapped around multiple times, but it's just a hack. Now you need to take a straight hijab pin and pin all the layers together in a sewing motion. This ensures that this hijab style stays intact. Now take the other side of the hijab and put it on your head. This hides all the ending portions of the layers and it also gives a good coverage. Now you need to pin the other side as well so that it stays in place, and that's it. Yeah, that's actually it. The hijab look is complete and you can see it gives a very good coverage on the chest area. It looks very beautiful from the sides. And it also covers all your back area, and that's pretty much it. This hijab look looks so chic and you can style it with all types of dresses and you can wear it on all types of events, and you can shop everything shown in this video from my website ramshasultan.com. It's a one-stop destination for all the hijabis. And that's it for the video, guys. That's how I do my everyday hijab look. I literally have been wearing this hijab style for past 4 to 5 years every single day. I like it that much, and with practice you can also just make it so comfortable that you will do it like within half a minute. If you like this video and you want more hijab tutorials, please comment down below and let me know, because I always consider your requests and then make videos according to that. And yeah, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.